about to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's moving weekend and there's so much to do. It is Saturday, February 1st. We are moving tomorrow on February 2nd, a Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know why the heck we're moving on Super Bowl Sunday. We're also trying to go to a party tomorrow night. We'll see if we can get it all done, but I have been packing the past few days. I have all my boxes over here. These are all of the wardrobe boxes from my closet, and I'm very overwhelmed. I feel like I hate moving, and every time I move, I realize how much stuff I have, and I don't know why I have so much stuff. And it's giving me major anxiety. So I started cleaning out my closet and packing, and I'm just overwhelmed by how much I have. Like, I don't know. I'm not making any sense right now, but this is all the stuff that I'm gonna be getting rid of. I'm gonna be selling all of that clothing. Not these dresses. These are like, I just need to bring those separately. But I still need to pack some of these drawers. I was just putting away, sorry, turn the angle, making you guys dizzy. These are just some of my shoes. I have 3 other boxes of shoes. I don't know why, because I literally live in sneakers most of the time. Look how many sneakers I have. But I'm little by little making piles of stuff that I want to sell, get rid of, donate. So this is that pile so far of just shoes. The house is so messy. Obviously, when you're moving, the house isn't going to be clean, but it's just very overwhelming at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm probably just gonna put some music over it because I actually need to like go. I can't like explain everything, but I hope you guys enjoy some motivation of me packing up the house, and I'll bring you guys to the new house later today because I'm gonna make a car trip over there to drop off some of the stuff that I don't want on the truck. And I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like. We're still doing work over there, so it's pretty scary that not everything is all ready for moving in. I actually have to clean over there later because we've been doing projects, so there's like sawdust and like just like dirt. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's just jump into it, and yeah, let's go.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers, we just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do.
First casualty of the move, I knocked over this big glass vase. It was like this tall. It was at our wedding. I don't know what I was saving it for, but I tipped into it with the bike and it shattered everywhere, so I'm just cleaning that up. But I haven't talked in a long time, so I'll give you guys a little overview of what I'm doing. Not sure if you guys have ever seen our garage. Pretty embarrassed of it. It's even messier now that I'm packing because I'm kind of going through some stuff too. It's funny how like the day before you move you start decluttering. Like, why aren't you always decluttering? But so pretty much everything is coming. it stresses me out. I feel like it looks like a lot because it is kind of a lot. I'm trying to get as many things in boxes to make it easier for moving. Some of these things like don't belong to us, or like they were already here when we moved here, so not a ton, but like that shelf. So a lot of this stuff is just seasonal decor, which you guys know I have quite a bit of if you've followed along on my channel last year, where I did a lot more videos on decorating for the holidays. But yeah, I'm definitely overwhelmed. I think it's about 10 o'clock right now, so definitely still have a lot to do. I have a lot of cleaning products. We have so many sweeper things. I don't even know if we have a Swiffer mop anymore, honestly. Oh yeah, actually we do. It's right there. But I never use it because I use my steam mop, so I'm gonna try to give those away. Find out if a friend uses those. But I'm gonna be getting rid of some stuff here too. There's like, I don't know, a couple totes that I see that I just don't want anymore. There's not a whole lot in there. So yeah, I feel like I don't even know what to say because I'm overwhelmed. But this is the progress so far. So this is what our house, I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but our garage is like, it's attached but detached. You have to go out the back door in order to get here. And then these are just a few things that I'm gonna get rid of this. These are the dog's staircase, but I don't let Minnie go up those anymore. But we have this cute tree in our backyard. I love this. I wish we could take it with us and like put it in our backyard. The grill is coming. We had such a pretty yard here. The lights in the back. And there's our yard. The beach is just a couple blocks that way. You can actually hear it. It's a little breezy out, but when it's kind of a quiet night, you can hear the waves. It's very relaxing. But yeah, so that's our back door. So anyway, I'm going to keep working, and let me show you guys what it's looking like inside. All these boxes are wardrobe boxes. I showed you guys that earlier. This is all food. I'm gonna put this in my car. Clearly need to take the trash out. I have even some dishes to do. We're only moving, like, we're not moving very far. It's definitely doable to do a few trips. So, and there's no rush. Like, ideally I want to be out tomorrow, but we're allowed to come back and forth if we need to grab a few things. But since we have the truck and we did get movers, we hired movers for 4 hours tomorrow, I do want to take advantage of that. So the girls, it's like a little obstacle course. Minnie can't be bothered. Oh, sorry, Mins. I know it's not fun. Aw. But yeah, here is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys have seen this chair yet. I got rid of the other chair and got this chair. I'll link it down below. It actually wasn't very expensive. It's faux leather. I like the look of it. It's a recliner. So I finally got rid of that other chair that I hated. All of these dishes in here are my grandma's dishes. We're not gonna have a ton of cabinet space in the other house, so I think I might actually just keep these packed up until we move again. I know you guys are probably like, why do you keep moving? But we're moving back into my husband's home that he purchased before we were married. Well, obviously we just got married a month ago, but he lived in this house when I lived in my home. I sold my house, but he kept his. He rented it out to people, and now we are going to move back in. We've made some improvements to it, but yeah, so I feel like I'm just mumbling. But all right, I'm gonna get back to it, and then I will show you guys what the final look, I will show you guys the final look a little bit later. Say hi. Ideally, if we can get that picture down to, I might just have to put that in the car. The dogs are in here. And we're just about done. We're just waiting for the movers to finish up. I think I'm actually gonna head over to the house now. All this other little stuff we're gonna put in our car. We'll do another trip. But yeah, it's looking good. The girls are in here. This is our bedroom. It's just empty. But yeah, we are almost done.